So to confirm that, we would want to see the euro currency setting up for a potential downside move. And there you could see that big head and shoulders top. And when you look at the low projected right over here in the euro currency, it's end of November to beginning of December. And if that's the case, if that were to happen, then the dollar would be spiking on the upside right in here. The projection on the head and shoulders top is way down here around 112. So this might be conservative, pointing here to about 115, equaling this low. It really could get all the way down to the measurement over here. And this could be a period of very good strength in the dollar. And that, of course, would be a period of weakness in the metals. And even though the metals have strengthened in here right now, we talked about that being temporary, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So that's a look at the euro currency on the weekly. It's anticipated it will resume to the downside, helping the dollar move up. Here you could see it's rallied exactly when it should. Note the momentum conditions. They have stayed negative through this little bounce, and it actually has given you a signal of a downside resumption. This could go neutral right now, as we said could happen in the dollar. So you might get a little period of this being neutral before the euro currency begins to move to the downside again.